Connect the fiber, foresee the future. Hello friends, fiber optic lessons start. This is Sophia from Hong Kong HomeServe Limited. Welcome to my channel. Today, let's talk about fiber optic fast connector. Fiber optic fast connector has two types, mechanical type and hot-melt type. Mechanical fast connector includes pre-embedded mode and straight-through mode. What is pre-embedded fiber optic fast connector? A piece of optical fiber is pre-embedded in the V-groove between the ferrule and the connector interior. During the construction, insert the optical fiber into the V-groove to connect with the pre-embedded optical fiber through the V-groove and the matching liquid in it. The main types of pre-embedded fast connectors are SC, FC, LC with UPC or APC. What is the straight-through fiber optic fast connector? As the name suggests, pass the optical fiber directly from the end of the connector to the top of the ferrule. There is no any connection point inside. The main types of straight-through fast connectors are SC UPC, FC UPC, LC UPC. Next, let's see hot-melt fiber optic fast connector. A long section of optical fiber is reserved inside the connector. During the construction, remove the tail cuff of the connector, strip and cut the exposed optical fiber and splice it with a pigtail. Once done, protect it with the heat shrink sleeves and put on the tail cuff. The splice points should be protected into the connector. Hot melt fast connector includes SC UPC, SC APC, FC UPC, FC APC. Okay. Now let's compare the advantages and disadvantages of each mode. 1. Hot melt fast connection. Disadvantages. A fusion splicer is required. The initial investment is high. Advantage. Connector insertion loss is small. 2. Straight-through fast connection. Disadvantages. High requirements for fiber cutting quality and length, and matching degree between ferrule inner diameter and fiber diameter. Advantage. One less connection point. 3. Pre-embedded fast connection. Disadvantages. Affected by the environment. The maintenance cost is high. Advantages. No need for splicing. Easy to operate. Okay, well, that's all for lesson 8. We introduced the 3 types of common fiber optic fast connectors. Hot melt type, straight-through type, pre-embedded type. Next lesson, let's learn cold connection. Please follow our updates. Bye-bye!